Let's learn English, phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs, and connected speech.
Listen. Phrasal verb. Gather up. Juntar ou reunir coisas ou pessoas em um único lugar. Recolher objetos espalhados ou pegar várias coisas de uma vez. Acumular ou juntar uma quantidade de algo ao longo do tempo. Reunir informações, coragem, força ou energia para fazer algo. Agrupar pessoas para uma atividade ou propósito específico. She gathered up all the books from the floor before leaving the room. The children gathered up their toys and placed them inside the box. He gathered up the papers scattered around the office after the meeting. The team gathered up enough information to solve the difficult problem. She gathered up courage and finally spoke about her feelings. The manager gathered up the employees for an important announcement. The farmer gathered up the vegetables before the heavy rain arrived. They gathered up donations from different communities during the campaign. He gathered up his energy and finished the long journey. The volunteers gathered up people to help with the project. The company gathered up resources to prepare for future challenges. The students gathered up their notes before the final exam. The organization gathered up supporters for the environmental movement. The workers gathered up materials needed for the construction. They gathered up experience after many years of practice.
Let's learn idioms.
She finally broke the ice and started a friendly conversation with everyone. He decided to call it a day after working for many hours. The project was a piece of cake for the experienced engineer. She hit the nail on the head with her explanation. They are on the same page about the future plans. He went the extra mile to help his customers. The new employee learned the ropes very quickly. She kept an eye on the children during the event. The decision was made at the last minute. He has a heart of gold and always helps others. The company is growing by leaps and bounds. She was feeling under the weather yesterday.
Let's learn American slangs.
That movie was totally awesome and everyone loved it. I need to chill out after this stressful day. He is really cool and easy to talk to. This party is going to be lit tonight. I am broke after buying all those things. She nailed the presentation like a pro. That idea sounds crazy but interesting. I am gonna finish this work before dinner. He is a big deal in the technology world. Don't freak out because everything is okay. That guy is kind of weird but funny. We need to hang out more often together.
Let's learn connected speech.
I dunno what happened during the meeting today. I gotta leave before the traffic gets worse. I want to learn English faster this year. I'm gonna call you later tonight. Don't you know the answer already? Give me a minute to finish this task. Let me explain everything clearly now. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.